Welcome back to the video walkthrough of pa1. This is part 2. And you're here because you have trouble connecting to the workstation, following what Polly did exactly. So you might have done this, and the username, and the IP address of the workstation. Yeah, and you hit enter, but you wait and wait and waited forever. After a while, you will probably see that the connection is timed out. There's a good reason for that. Let me explain. The workstation there you're connecting has a firewall set up, and it's blocking all the connection attempts from IP addresses outside of NTU. So if you're working from home and it's not quite on NTU campus, then you won't be able to get through. The solution for that is to set up an NTU VPN tunnel. Okay. So what that did is to connect the machine at home to a special machine on NTU campus. That's the VPN server. Now the VPN server serves as a relay. So request goes to the VPN server, and VPN server relays your connection request to the workstation. Right. So let me show you how you create this VPN connection, VPN tunnel. First, Google NTU VPN. So very likely this link is gonna pop up. It says NTU SSL VPN at the beginning. Ignore the Chinese. It takes you to a page, but don't worry. There's an English version of it. If you look upper right of the page, click into the English version. Immediately you see there are 4 different links. It's essentially telling you how to install the VPN server. How to install the client to connect to the VPN server. And that client is called the Pulse Secure. So you have instructions for Windows user, for Ubuntu user, for Mac OS user, as well as iOS or Android phone users. So let's take a look at how you do that for Mac OS. I guess this is just the package. Once you download the package and click on it, then it will start installation. After installation is completed, click on the Pulse Secure application icon, and you're going to see something like this showing up. What you need to do next is just to click on the plus box to create a session and configure the session exactly what is being shown here. And I've already my Pulse Secure installed and my NTU VPN session configured. So let me show you how to do that. So let me go to the desktop. Launchpad, and the Pulse Secure is right here. Half green, half black icon. Click on it, and it's starting. I've already set up my NTU session. I can click the pencil here to edit it, which I don't have to. You see that the URL, this is the most important information. Make sure that this is correct. sslvpn2.ntu.edu.tw is exactly the address of the VPN server. And it's secure is because it's HTTPS protocol that's supporting the VPN tunnel. We don't have to save this. Yeah, let's just cancel. So all you need to do next is just hit connect. Now here, there are 3 ways you can authorize yourself into the VPN server. As a student, you should have an NTU email account. So use the NTU email account. That's the simplest. What you will be prompted for is this, the username. So that's the email address, the first part of the email address. So my email at NTU is polyhuang@ntu.edu.tw. So I simply say polyhuang there, and then input the password. Connect. So the green check right here says it's already connected. For Mac OS users, you see also S here, and there's an arrow point upper right. What that means essentially that we already connected. So let's go back to the terminal and see if we can connect this time. The exact same command. Let's see. Password. So go ahead and log in. Yep, you're connected. Good. So try it out and see if it works this time. And that's all for video part 2.